This is just a little samba built upon the single note. Other notes are bound to follow, but the root is still that note. Now the new note is the consequence of the one we've just been through. As I'm bound to be the unavoidable consequence of you. There's so many people who can talk and talk and talk and just say nothing or nearly nothing. If you stop all those gates, I know when at the end I come to nothing or nearly nothing. So I come back to my first note, as I must come back to you. I will pour into that one note all the love I feel for you. Anyone who wants the whole show, re mi fa sol la si do, he will find himself with no show. Better play the note you know.
Re mi fa sol la si